Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be sharing few tips where I'll be telling you how to maintain your car's mileage. Complain I'm not getting good average, and when somebody posts on any social media telling that I got an average of so much, people be like, how did you get so much, is it possible, it's a fake, etc, etc. The thing is very easy guys, it all depends on how you drive. The mileage what you get is purely on how you drive. So the first point is you have to keep your engine in condition. What it means is you have to take it to the service. Imagine you have not given a service for 2 times, you have skipped the 2 services or 3 services or whatever the carbon deposit is there, or some oil deposits on the spark plug and many other factors which will affect your engine performance will directly impact the mileage of your car. So that is the one thing you will have to take care of. So the second point is nothing but you have to reduce the load inside the car. If you ask me what do you mean by reduce the load, try to keep unwanted items out of your car. I have seen few people, they treat car as some secondary, what we say, like storage space. They dump all the unwanted things in the car. It adds some weight. It will drastically drop the mileage. It's okay if you have something like some cloth or some bag or anything. Few people I have seen, they will keep some extra wheel which is not required. You already have a stepney, then why do you need another wheel? Or some people carry cylinders, etc, etc. You try to minimize all those unwanted loads from your vehicle, then it will increase the mileage. So the next point is when you come to the engine performance again, you need to check for the correct engine oil you are using. For example, there are 3 types: synthetic, semi-synthetic and non-synthetic. So try to use synthetic oil. It's little expensive, but you can afford it. It's something like a good investment for your vehicle. The more the engine health is, the more reliability of your car you get. Then if you are selling it, you have good resale value because your engine is very awesome, you have maintained it very good. These are the factors. So the next thing is be easy on pedal. What do you mean by be easy on pedal is, I have seen few people, you wait in a traffic signal, the red signal, the red light turns green, immediately they put the pressure on the accelerator as if they're going to race. They're finishing some lap, they have some lap time and they have to break the record. Why? You're just driving on a road. Be very easy on the accelerator. What? The back person will honk 3 or 4 times. Let him honk. Ignore. Slowly move your vehicle. Shift to first gear, slowly release the clutch and press the accelerator very slowly. It's something like this, not like this. Okay, so know that. One more main thing what people miss is about the air pressure, the tire pressure. See, my is EPMS over here, you can see it's 31, 31, 32, 32 recommended tire pressure by the company itself. For my vehicle, mine is Hyundai i20, I have the recommended tire pressure given on the road, the door panel of mine. I'll show you once. Let me park the vehicle. There is oncoming traffic, I'll wait and I'll show the. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see, this is the car tire pressure information given for me in my car. So you will also have something like that. Try to make use of that or Google it or ask the experienced person. Whenever you go to fill the nitrogen air, they will know the exact pressure for your vehicle if they are experienced persons. So ask them for the good tire pressure, recommended tire pressure for your vehicle. It may differ from vehicle to vehicle and it may also differ if you have the load extra. For example, now only me and my brother are sitting in this car. The tire pressure which I need now is different. If I'm going on a long journey or long trip with family fully loaded car, the tire pressure will be different. So you will have to take care of that. So again, when it comes to mileage drop, it happens when you rev your vehicle to the max. As I told you about being light on the pedal, it's very similar what we are discussing now. Be very gentle with the pedal and see your rev doesn't go more than 1.8 or 2. It's not required in city limits. Why do you want to race? That guy is going in front, I don't want to race him. I'm in 5th gear and my rev is only 1000 now. That's more than enough. I'm having good speed of 40. Initially I had 40, now it's picking up to 43, 44, 45. I'm pressing the same amount of accelerator and the rev is increasing very controlled manner, I can say. Well, you don't need to wait. I'll show you how people do. Nobody's in the behind. See, boom. See, you can see 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. You don't do that. Be very gentle. You be like you're carrying a baby. You have something, a smooth body in front of you. Carry your car in such a way, guys. That's the thing. So another important thing is when you go for long journeys or you have used your vehicle for a long time, have a note on your alignments, wheel alignments. Do the rotations, what we call tire rotations, periodic rotations will be there. In that, what they do is they rotate your front tires and the rear tires. I mean, it comes in an order. You have to ask for them. They will rotate it for you. They will just remove the wheels of each wheels and they'll rotate it. That is what tire rotation is. One more thing is wheel alignment. They'll check that wheel alignment in the machine. If there is any wrong alignment, they'll add some weights and they will align. So one more thing what we have to do is, for example, now I am driving. The outside temperature is cool. It's a night time and it's very cool temperature. I don't need my ACs on. Why do I need my ACs on? I have only the fans on with the 23-degree fan, but it's not so cool inside. It's okay for me. If I want, I can just slowly open only little bit of window. You may say that opening the window will again decrease the mileage. Yes, it will. Where when you're going in the highway, the speed of 60, 70, 80, 100 you're cruising, you open the window, what it does is it reduces the drag. Like the air fills up in the car and it it offers a resistance. That is what I can say. So there the mileage drops. But here I am driving in 40-50 speed. I don't think so I even went more than 40-50. So at that speed, this much window is fine. You can see here this much opening of the window is fine, and my fans are turned on, not the air conditioner. So you can say in Bangalore weather, during the day it's very hot. Yeah, you may need air conditioner, but see that you don't blast the fan for long. You just recirculate the air and keep it to the good temperature, maintain the temperature. So one more thing is, this tip will be good if you are going on highway rides. I use it a lot and I get best mileage from my car. What you have to do is try to cruise your vehicle whenever you are going on a highway or the long stretch. For example, this is a long stretch, I don't have traffic. Try to cruise it. Try to cruise your vehicle and maintain a constant speed, something like cruise it in 40-50, depending on the road, depending on the speed limit, depending on the conditions. You will know that, right, how to manage the speed. On that, you work on that and maintain that constant speed and you will get a good mileage. You can see that. So thank you for watching the video till the end, guys. That's it for the video. I hope I have covered almost everything. I might have missed something. Please mention those tips in the comment. You may feel that few are something like very funny ones or very light ones, but they impact in one or the other way. Just practically do that things to follow the tips and check the mileage, then do whatever you want and check the mileage. You'll find a slight difference, at least, that is for sure. So keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel. Do like, comment below and share with your friends and let them know this information. Thank you guys. Signing off. Bye.